Welcome, second grade. It is really strange to be here at school when none of you are here. And I miss you already a lot. But I hope you are able to learn at home, and I'm sure your moms are going to be good teachers. And we'll get through our lessons, I think, at home. And I'm just glad we can have a plan that we can keep on working. And so, first of all, let's begin with some Bible verses. Every week I will read to you a Bible memory verse, and you can see if you can say it to your moms till the end of the week. This week we have Psalm 46, verse 1, and it's up here in the corner here. It's God is our refuge and strength, a very present help in trouble. We really do need God with us, don't we? And I think we'll start with a verse, usually every morning, and then we'll every week actually, and then I'll usually tell it to you Monday mornings, and maybe I'll remind it to you throughout the week, but yeah, we'll see once how it goes. And then you can just tell it to your moms, maybe at home, and yeah, we'll go from there. Okay, so we're ready for a language quiz today, and let's go over some of the things that we have learned so far, just kind of a review. So we have on the board here, 3 tiny mice scurried. Now, they want us to diagram that sentence. And so let's review what diagram means. Diagram means a drawing to show how the parts of a sentence fit together. So we'll diagram this sentence here, number 1 here on the board. So we make a straight line across, and then we go a line down like this. On this side goes the noun, so the noun is mice. Nouns name person, place, or thing. And then the verb goes over here. So verbs show action. So what did the mice do? They scurried. And then we have 3 and tiny. So 3 and tiny are describing words, and describing words always go underneath the noun. So they will go underneath mice. Okay, let's look at number 2 here. Do you still remember quotation marks? Quotation marks are little marks that they curl around what a person was saying. So this sentence says, Tom said, I can carry the big box. I can carry the big box are the exact words of Tom, so they get curls around them. That? Do you still remember the rules for titles? Every first and last letter of a title will get capitalized. Every first and last word of a title gets capitalized. And then also the ones in between, unless they're small words like of, and the. All right, so we have 2 days of fun. 2 days of fun, we will capitalize 2, and then days. Of is a tiny word, so that does not get capitalized. And fun gets capitalized since it's the last word of the sentence. Okay, let's review some cursive letters. Now, you don't have those strips. You probably don't have one of those cursive strips at home like you have on top of your desk. But you know what you can use in the back of your language arts books? There is a page that has all the cursive letters on. So you could look back on that page if you get stuck in your lessons anywhere. So let's just review those letters here on the board. The X's, we go like this. The Y's go like this. Z's like this. This is how you do a Q. F's. Don't forget your little jigger here on the F's. And the T's go like this. Okay, so you will have those on the quiz. Try not to look back on the quiz how to make them. Just try to memorize them really good before you start. And then, yeah. Okay, and then your spelling words, your moms. I'm going to send your moms a picture of the words. You can study section 1 words, and they're found on page, let me see. It will be found on page 4 in your light unit. Be careful that you study the right ones. I had given you a paper earlier that was for light unit 10. Be careful that you study the words on page 4 of your light unit. And you will have 10 words of that, and your moms can give you the test then whenever you're ready, or big sister or whatever's there to help you. Yeah. So let's see. I think we got about everything covered. Let's think, about guide words and entry words in the dictionary. Now, just a minute. I'm going to go get a dictionary to really show you how. So the dictionary, you would open up the dictionary to a page, and the words on top here are guide words. And then it's like if you would think that they guide you to knowing what for words are on the page. The words on the page are called entry words. They are entry words, and the words on the top are guide words. Okay? Try to remember that also. And yeah, I think we have pretty much everything covered here. There is an extra activity with this lesson that you are very welcome to do. It would actually be good if you do it. It's found on pages 61 through 66. So, yeah, just remember to do your best. Go slowly and have a good day. Also, another thing I want to tell you, once you get into math, so math, we are doing 2 extra lessons, extra than what I wrote on the schedule on your page that I handed out. So this week sometime, as you're working on math, you can also work kind of ahead. You can work until lesson you will also do lesson 141 and 142, which 142 will be a test. So you should have 2 tests handed out to you, and then you can also do lesson 141. Try to get that covered this week so that next week then we can do 2 more lessons, and then that way we should be able to finish the book. Also, for your flashcards, the ones of you that aren't finished yet and you would like to finish your chart, I would be very happy if you could finish your chart. And then at the end, I'm going to give everyone a prize. So what we'll do is, if you can find someone to help you at home to say flashcards, and then you can text it to me, Text your number of flashcards you got in 1 minute. And then I'll compare it with the day before that you had done it. And if you get higher than the day before, then I'll put a sticker on your chart. So that way we